Hello again, once again. Welcome to my channel, guys. I hope you have a great time. And without any further delays, I'll be getting into today's video so you guys know what's up. Okay. Today I'll be showing to you if data is your problem, if you've been having data browsing, if you're having problems browsing, having issues with buying data and all the rest. Now data is very expensive. To buy data is not really easy. No matter which price, it's very expensive. So I'll be showing to you a VPN. I think I have about two VPNs that I'm currently using that's working for me, and many of you would have heard it already. Here is the VPN. I believe many of you would have heard about it, and but if you haven't heard about it, here it is. I'm actually using it right now while making this video. You see, here it is. It's called Creeb VPN. Look at the name. This at the top. Creeb VPN. You can find it on Play Store. Okay, and it mostly works. I think it mostly works right now. As far as I know, it works on MTN. So you can try it and see if it works for you. All you have to do is to download the game, download the Creeb VPN with as little data or on any of your SIM card, and set your MTN SIM card. Make sure there is no data in it. Make sure there is no data on it. And after downloading it, you need to update it just a little bit. Let's say you have two SIM cards. Like now, I have two SIM card here, my Airtel and my MTN. So if I have a little data on my Airtel, I'll use it and download the VPN. Then I will update it with that Airtel data. Then I'll switch to MTN, and this is the settings here. So after you update the app, there will be some settings that will come along. So you have to be able to set your first VPN. Most people set it to Germany, but I set my own to United Kingdom. See this very icon here, you have to set it to that very point, then set MTN free 2 gig, because not all the plans work. Some of them work and some of them don't work. Even you can even set it now, it may not work, it may work later, or another plan will work. Just try different plans. I'm sure one of them is going to work for you. So you can try it and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please and please do well and support my video by like and subscribing. Thank you very much.